What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the most expensive video I've ever made, with a grand total of $1,100. And so, yeah, and just to show you, we have a iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange 256GB model, and then we'll also be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case, which I have already opened. Well, we'll go take a look at this real quick. So in here, you get your clear case and some regulatory information. Now, there has been some controversy about this case because of this white square. I don't really mind it. Head camera control, volume, action button, and the power button. And so, yeah. But let's go ahead and get into this guy. So let's go ahead and box it here. Actually, I'm gonna move just so that way we can actually get a full look at this. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So the first pull tab, I did this one-handed because my tripod's being weird. This is not graceful at all. And let's go and do it. Wow, that is orange. Well, let's go ahead and set that to the side here. We have our USB-C to C cable. Since this is a carrier model, it does not come with a SIM ejector tool, or actually in Freza, it doesn't come with a SIM ejector tool. It's got eSIM. Kind of forgot about that. And maybe you get your regulatory information, no Apple stickers, and that is it. So let's go ahead and repackage this back up. And I'm going to go ahead and move again, and we'll go ahead and get to the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself. So bear with me. All right. So before we peel off the peel, we have the action button, 2 volume rockers, a side button, and then the camera control. And there's USB-C. Let's go ahead and peel this. So nice. And that right here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I'm gonna get this set up, and I will probably make another video, probably about a week or so, with a review. So with that, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.